Righto kids, this is how to give yourself a good hairdo. Welcome to our holiday! Apparently my wife doesn't know how to stay in the middle of the road. She's distracted by my good looks. Chilly out there. Chilly. Switchy. Oh, they're good entertainment devices.
Yeah.
Good for long trips.
Yep, definitely.
What are you playing? Nice.
Gotta keep it charged though.
Yeah. Lucky they have pretty long battery life.
Yeah, baby. I love playing Monopoly.
What about you, Liam?
Singing.
Yeah, you've been singing for a while, haven't you, bud?
Yeah. What's wrong?
Love a good gravel road. Much more interesting than driving on the tarmac, that's for sure.
On our way to our holiday house.
Hey, some moo cows. Moo! Destination unknown. No. Ba, 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 ba.
Two eager boys to get out and about and explore.
It's been a long drive, what can I say? Here we are at our cousin's spectacular farm in Albany, where they run their business, Sweet Valley Produce. If you're in Albany, check out their fresh farm-grown fruit and vegetables. And it was an awesome place to relax and stay for a week, and enjoy everything that Albany had to offer.
Look at this nice garage.
Where are we?
In Albany.
Demo, how are ya? No thanks. Hey Liam, says if you want to be safe you got to stay on the path, what do you reckon? No? You want to be adventurous?
Yeah.
I knew your middle name should have been Adventure.
Yeah. Here we are, blowholes. Pretty good scenery, as you can see.
Would have liked to take some drone footage, but my rule with drones is if the wind's going out to sea, no drones. I only do it when the wind's coming in. That's how people lose their drones, among other ways.
Pretty cold and cloudy day, but we're just going to come and check out the blowholes.
Check out the awesome hill over there. Massive.
What do you reckon, boys?
Are we going to drive off? I don't know. Nah, it's gone. Let's go. Alright, mechanic Liam, I need you to tighten up this left-hand front, please. Left-hand front. Go on.
You mean this one?
Pit crew! Oh, no.
This one?
And in the middle, the wheel nut. In the centre. In the centre of the wheel, on the outside.
You mean in the side?
Yep, correct.
Which one is white?
Righty-tighty.
Which one is white? Okay, you mean this way?
Correctamundo, pal.
I've done it as tight as it can go.
We've also finished this castle that we've been building.
Yeah, for days and days.
Has taken us a few days, hasn't it? We've just been taking it pretty slowly.
Yeah.
Is this the way to the beach? Or is it that way?
Here's the wild bull in his natural environment.
Hey. Too much grass, apparently. Hey Liam, what's your favourite dinosaur?
All of them.
All of them. Oh, that's crazy. Southwest carpet bud. It's pretty cool. Look at him. Beautiful. Whoa, Damo. Check out the snake, mate. That's crazy. Oh, Liam. Look at him, bud. Damien's holding a little Stimson's python. It's pretty cool. And Liam's going to have a turn right now. Put your hands out. Both hands. Alright, let it down really slowly. Whoa, Liam. What do you reckon? How does he feel?
Good.
Does he feel hot?
He feels cold.
Alright. Hey, Damo. Look at this, bud. What?
It likes
I
me.
think you've got yourself a friend there, bud. What? Hey Liam, are you some kind of pirate? What?
They like cleaning. Hello.
Whoa. And this is Damo, and he's found himself a pretty cool car at the op shop. It's actually an electronics kit. It's a solar car, and it's also got a dynamometer, I guess, powered little hand pump that makes it go. Anyway, we've had a few issues with it. The front wheels don't really stay on, do they, Damo?
Yeah.
Yeah, they've been having some issues with the front wheels.
They're very wobbly.
A bit wobbly, so Damo's just going to quickly show us how he's going to fix it.
So,
Hey, nice work. Great success.
nice mountain view at the moment on the way out to Wellstead. A bit hard to see in the clouds there. Damo's playing, Liam's asleep. No, he isn't. Good having his dinosaurs today.
It's like a jolly fighter plane. Got all the accessories, pretty cool grader. It's awesome. Did you say I'm the greatest?
I love
No, I'm the greatest.
fear.
What a great experience. Hey?
Yeah.
Have a go, Liam.
Oh, that's so stinky. Get up there. You want to relax?
Nice relaxing spot. Chill out.
Try the other one. Suffering. Oh, that becomes in the way.
Some pretty wicked tyres. Hey Naomi, are you feeling tired?
Oh, so tired.
Oh, she's got Julie's on the front too. Oh. Just in case you didn't know, this one's a case tractor. 500 HDs. What's that mean, Auntie Marlene?
I don't know.
500 horse donkeys. All right. Check out these cool headlights. Quad LEDs. Or projectors, I'm not quite sure. Guessing they're LED. Oh yeah. Fancy. So good. 2021? Nevada, 2021?
Yes.
Hey guys, welcome back to Smashed Up Sticks. We're at Auntie Marlene's. Look at this tractor over here. And that is in the passenger.
What's happening, Liam? What's your favourite part of the farm so far?
All of it.
All of it. My favourite part's the grader. Go Liam, go, 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 go! Yeah?
Is this a bit dangerous?
Of course it's a bit dangerous, mate, but that's what makes it fun, right?
No. Me!
Nyo, nyo, nyo.
Watch out!
Hey, going, you long-haired yahoos. Today we're going to go break out my uncle from the old people's home. Sounds fun, doesn't it? Nah, we got permission to. It's all fine. All above board, but yeah, I don't get to see my uncle very often because he's in Albany, about 4 or 5 hours drive from my house. So we are down visiting on holidays, and we thought it'd be cool to take him out for a drive. He doesn't walk super great, so we can't take him on a great adventure. We got him. We broke Uncle Bill out.
Here he is.
This is my Uncle Bill. How you going? Look at this, mate. This is really cool. There's a ship stuck on the beach, mate. That's a bit of a disaster. How do you reckon they got it there, Liam?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Maybe they crashed it.
Maybe they crashed it. A cup of tea. Uncle Bill having a cup of Tetley. Naomi having a cup of chai.
And me having.
I have also chai tea. No good, disgusting. Okay, here we go. We're gonna live try some tea, see how it goes. Can you take the pictures off that?
How did you like it, Daddy? Was it great?
That is some wild, foul stuff.
It's tasty.
Look, it's me and Liam. Hey, bud. Damien.
I want to get on.
It's too full.
Please.
Can I get on?
Yes.
Alrighty. Bye, Naomi. Drive around on me uncle's tractor. Well, it's a lawnmower. Still kind of a lawn tractor. Alright, ready to go, boys? Alright, let's roll. Boop, boop. I like this. Liam, what you got there?
Chicken. Almost
It's got a cool hat on his head.
Yeah.
Oh man. So rainy. So what we decided to do is, now that I'm addicted to collecting Pokemon cards again, we decided to buy a starter pack. Hey, Liam.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. This one's got Pikachu and a massive big Pikachu card. And what do you got there, Damo?
And a big book of cards.
Here we go. Gonna open them up. Let it rip, Liam.
He's excited.
I'm gonna open them up and see what we get.
Yeah, let's have
Yep. Very nice.
come on. How do you
Going on an adventure.
Like bullets.
Off to see some not so
ones.
secret bunkers.
The toy ones. It's like the ones that you shoot bullets out of.
Yeah,
Come here.
real ones. That's pretty cool. What do we see? There's something moving in the bushes. What? And by that I mean, what? Check it out.
What is it?
Coming. The boat. Here, can you see?
Come down here.
Costco shipping. It's a big boat for big things.
Bunker.
What? Down there. Bunker hunters. The guy said that there's a couple of them around, so maybe it's not this one, maybe it's another one. Whoa. This one's cool.
Maybe it's down. Maybe it's more down. Maybe it's... This is not a bunker, Daddy.
This is a bunker, Damo! We found it! We found the bunker!
No,
Yeah.
there's no guns.
Oh, we thought there was going to be guns, but there was no guns. Whoa! All right. Check it out. I wonder what that thing is. Oh, it's a pipeline. The concrete thing over there. Wow, what an amazing view.
We're on our way home. See you on the next one. See you on the next one. See you guys on the next one.
And we're gonna take him out. I haven't seen him for ages. What? My wife wants to go day drinking in the morning, I think. That's what she's trying to tell me by hand signals. Ah, yes. The correct way to wear a helmet. That should have no problems at all. It's you. Hip hip. Hooray! Everybody spit on the cake. Not really. Ah.